Today I am going to discuss about cam profile. At the end of this video, you will be able to draw displacement diagram and a cam profile for knife edge follower with uniform velocity and offset distance. So welcome to my YouTube channel Mechanical Engineering Management. So let's start from the description. Draw the profile of a cam operating a knife edge follower from the following data. First, follower leaps through 40 mm, that means stroke length. During 60-degree rotation, that means ascent angle. The follower remains at rest, that means dwell period. The follower then descends to its original position, that means it is the descent angle. The follower remains at rest, that means remaining dwell. The least radius of the cam is 50 mm. The motion during the ascent and descent is uniform velocity. The axis of the follower is offset by 20 mm from the axis of the camshaft. So in the previous video, we have discussed with zero offset distance. So this point number 7 is very important. This is the description, and from that I have written the important point in the summarized form. So first, draw the horizontal line with random length. The vertical line as 40 mm, that is given to you. Then once again draw the horizontal line. Now take the scale as 1 centimeter is equal to 10 degree, and so that I can say the length of the outstroke as 6 centimeter. Then next dwell 30 degree, that means length is 3 centimeter. Next return stroke is 60 degree. That means length of return stroke is 6 centimeter, and remaining dwell is 210. That means length is 21 centimeter. But you can't accommodate it in the sketchbook, so you can use this symbol at random distance. Now next, divide this outstroke into the 6 equal part and give the name as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Draw the vertical line from all these points. Similarly, you can do for the return stroke, means divide it into the 6 equal part, give the name as 0 dash, 1 dash up to 6 dash, draw the vertical line passing through all these points. Next, here it is given to you as uniform velocity for both outstroke and return stroke. So draw the straight inclined line. So first follower lift, then once again follower return to its original position. And for the dwell period, you have to draw the horizontal line. So keep in mind that in the examination you have to draw this line only as a dark line. Now mark the intersection point and give the name as A, B, C, D, E, F. Similarly, mark the intersection point for the return stroke and give the name as G, H, I, J, K, L. So this is your displacement diagram. Now start the cam profile. So first take randomly any one point and give the name as O. Now the offset distance is given to you as 20 mm. So take offset distance as 20 mm and draw the circle. That circle is known as the offset circle. So simply we can say, with the help of the compass, you can draw the circle with the radius 20 mm. Now next, minimum cam radius is given to you as a 50 mm. So draw the another circle with center O and radius 50 mm. So this is called as the base circle. And keep in mind that this vertical center line must be tangent to this offset circle. And on this center line, you have to draw the symbol of the knife edge follower. And give the name of the intersection point as 0. Now join this 0 with O point. Now here the direction of the cam rotation is not given to you. in the description, and so that you can assume it in the clockwise direction, and so that your angle must be in the anti-clockwise direction, means opposite to this direction from this reference axis. So first 60 degree, then next 30 degree, then next 60 degree, and so that automatically this is 210 degree. Now divide this outstroke into these 6 equal parts. So each division must be 10 degree with the help of the protractor. Now give the name of all the intersection point as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as you have given over here. Similarly, divide this written stroke into the 6 equal part and give the name of this intersection point as 0 dash 1 dash up to 6 dash as you have given in the displacement diagram for the written stroke. Now next is a very important point, as offset distance is given to you, and so that you have to draw the line passing through this all point, means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 0 dash 1 dash up to 6 dash. But this line must be tangent to this offset circle. So it is like that. This all line must be tangent to this offset circle as well as passing through this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly, it should be passed from 0 dash 1 dash up to 6 dash and tangent to this offset circle. Now you have to transfer this distance 1a on this line. Then transfer this distance 2b on this line. With the help of the compass you can do it. Next transfer this 3c distance on this line. Next transfer 4d distance on this line. Next transfer 5e distance on this line. Next 6f distance. Similarly, for the written stroke, transfer this distance on the corresponding line with the help of the compass. Next 4 dash K and last 5 dash L. Now here it is a knife edge follower. So draw the smooth curve from 0 to 6 dash with the help of the compass and then passing through all these points. So keep in mind that from 6 dash to L, K, J up to 0, that will be the freehand sketch curve, but it should be smooth, and from 0 to 6 dash you can do with the help of the compass. So keep in mind that in the examination this cam profile only should be dark and the remaining all work should be light. So the very important point you should note down that whenever there is an offset distance, then you have to draw the offset circle and you have to transfer this distance on that particular line which are tangent to this offset circle. If you want to see more engineering videos, then subscribe my YouTube channel and go to playlist. Thanks my dear friends. Press the like button to appreciate this video.